Hey everybody and welcome back. So today in this video I am going to be showing you how to add custom domain to card platform. So if you want to build different kind of web pages, platforms, and even your own portfolio websites, then card is here to save the day. So basically what you need to do to add in here your own domain, you first need to, let's just say, create your account. And once you create your account, you'll have your profile set up. Make sure to create your pages in here, and it will eventually, once you go through everything, you'll have an option to publish your platform. So either you can choose your own domain in these settings, and you can see we have this publish over here. Once you click onto that, we have our account settings, and in here we can put on our on domain as well. You can see this is over here, and here you can simply add in here your own domain that is going to be linked to card. So basically this is how it works, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out.